To turn on or turn off auto download files and music from contacts when connected to Wi-Fi in Telegram in Android phone. Open Telegram app, tap Telegram to open, and then tap more icon or three line icon. Select settings, and then tap data and storage. Next, on automatic download, media download, select when connected to Wi-Fi. Next, tap files, and then check contacts to turn on auto download files and music from contacts when connected to Wi-Fi, or uncheck to turn off. Check to turn on or uncheck to turn off. And then tap save to save. Tap back button, and then you can see files to from contacts will be downloaded when it be automatic download when connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.